Welcome! If you're a fan of Discord and want to give your interface a sleek, modern look, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable the brand new Dark Sidebar feature on Discord Web right from your PC. This update brings a fresh touch to your favorite chat platform, making it easier on the eyes, especially during those late-night gaming or study sessions. Let's get started. First, open up your browser and head over to the Discord website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to them, there's a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up your user settings. Inside user settings, you'll find a list of options on the left side. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Appearance. Click on Appearance to open up all the customization settings for your Discord interface. Now, here's the exciting part. In the Appearance menu, you'll notice a brand new option called Dark Sidebar. This feature is part of Discord's latest update, designed to give your sidebar a deep, dark look that matches the rest of the app's dark mode. Simply toggle the switch next to Dark Sidebar to enable it. Once you've turned it on, you'll instantly see your sidebar transform. All your servers, channels, and friends list will now appear on a darker background, making everything look more unified and easier to read. It's a subtle change, but it really enhances the overall Discord experience. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Dark Sidebar on Discord Web. If you ever want to switch back, just follow these steps and toggle the feature off. Enjoy your new stylish Discord layout and let us know in the comments how you like the update. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and Discord tutorials.